Hey, what's up? This is my bike check. My bike is a 2010 Eastern Traildigger. I've done a few things to it. Actually, I've done a lot to it. First of all, I have my bars. They're We the People Heliums. I love these bars. They're great. My grips are ODI long necks. I do not like them. They're slick and just horrible. Unlike this kid, he loves them. My seat is a nice pivotal seat with the stock seat post. My pedals are Animal Hamiltons. My sprocket is the Eastern Medusa Light sprocket. It's okay. I like it. I would rather have an animal sprocket, but it's fine. My pegs are Stolen Thermalite pegs. I love them. They're great. My chain is a nitrous half-link chain. It's really good. My back tire is a Eastern Burnout. I'm about to get a new one tomorrow. Then I'll update the bike check.
Why do you need to do that?
Because it's, look at it. You look at that. Look at that. The tire split. I just got this like 3 weeks ago. The front tire is a We the People Grippin' tire. And the back wheel is a nitrous, as you can see right there, nitrous double shot cassette. And that's about it for my bike check. My bike is about 23 pounds ish, around there, 23 and a half. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.